Movement from Birkdale, numbers 4 or 3 siding to the Up Southport line. To your left at cab height is position light signal Mike Lima 1086, protecting the exits from both number 4 and number 3 sidings. If both sidings are occupied, drivers must obtain proper verbal authority to move their trains when Mike Lima 1086 is cleared. Ahead of the signal is a track point. Maximum speed 10 miles per hour. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour.